Okay, so yes, we do events. We do them in Australia, New Zealand, Hong Kong and Singapore. And the other half of Envision IT actually focuses on SharePoint training. So we do lots and lots of SharePoint training, mainly for power users, end users, all that sort of thing. And we also have just started offering that training here in Australia. So we've got a big tour of all of our Get to the Point or short half-day workshops happening all around Australia within June and July. So very exciting for us. We've been training now for about 5 years in New Zealand and do a lot of both public courses and on-site training. So we tailor training specifically to the customer. So that's what we do. Great. Everyone's really excited, and it's just been a good buzz, I think, from everyone. The SharePoint community is a great one to be involved with, simply because at events like this they really do love being involved in it all and getting into the whole conference spirit. I am. I think I'll be happy when the whole lot goes smoothly and it's all over, actually. But yeah, New Zealand will also be good. We've actually got better numbers than we've ever had at prior events, so quite cool.